So currently somebody or some group of people is stuck in the car a couple cars down from us. That'd be so funny if we get stuck too and we have to call them. We're like, hey, guess what? So remember how there was people stuck? Now we are. Yeah, these might have, that is not an Otis door sill. Let's just go down on this one. Go to 12. These might have the original controllers.
They're classic level.
I think they are. Yeah. These aren't Otis. These are not Otis. Let's go up and down, and then we'll go up to 21 and then back down to this floor.
It's going down.
Oh, I see. Oh. Okay, I have no doubt left that these are relay logic. Yeah, these are definitely relay. I don't know who installed them, but they are. Look at those lanterns. Look at that door equipment. I've never seen door equipment like that. Who the heck put these in? Anyway, that is strange. I don't know the name of this.